What's going on YouTube? Cash Productions here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to shoot your weapons using Menyoo. This method will show you how to properly add muzzle flashes to pistols to simulate shooting in certain action scenes. This has been a common question that I've been asked from time to time, and I'm finally giving it to you guys. So, first things first, make sure that your character is in database because that's going to be important when assigning animations. Go on to Object Spooner. Spawn entity into world, go to object, go to search up WPI pistol. Alright, go to this one, click it twice, spawn 2 of them. Alright, now go to manage entity database, go to one of these pistols, click that, go to attachment options, attach to something, attach it to free mode mail, attach one of them to your left hand. Alright, now go back, go to the other pistol, go to attachment options, attach to something, free mode mail, attach that to your right hand. Now let's set these coordinates accordingly. Alright, so go to the left hand, attachment options, coordinates X should be 1640, so let's go to that. Y should be 600. Pitch should be -58. Roll should be 47. And yaw should be 65. Alright. Now let's go to the right hand. Attachment options. Let's see, X should be 1500. Whoops. 1500. Y should be 800. No, 400, my bad. 400. Z should be -200. Pitch should be -72. Roll is -7. Y'all is 13. Now, our next step is to go all the way back, spawn entity into world, go to object, and we're going to search for 2 more props. And it's going to be called CH prop, CH phone ing 01A. This prop here. Spawn 2 of those. 1, 2. Alright. Go to that. Go to one of them. Attach to something. Attach one to the left pistol. That. And just move the X to 1101. Alright. Go to the other one, attach it to the right pistol. 1101, same as that. Now turn collision off and turn visibility off on the phones, okay? Because this is where the muzzle flash is going to be coming from. So that's why we're doing this. Alright, go to the other one. Turn collision off. Turn visibility off. And the reason why we're turning off collision is just so when the character performs the animation, I don't want the objects to collide with the animation, interrupting and interfering the character's position. Okay? So, after that's done, we can set up the task sequences. Alright? So, on the left pistol, let's go ahead and start with that one. Task sequence, nothing. Set that all the way to 0. Go down to trigger effects. Set that all the way down to 1 millisecond. Change that to 9 milliseconds in interval. And the thing with interval for the muzzle flashes, the lower the interval, the faster the muzzle flash. The higher the interval, the slower the muzzle flash. Okay? So, let's go down. Let's pick a muzzle flash. I'm using the 500 effects Menyoo. So that's the version of Menyoo I'm using. So let's go all the way down to Muzz Minigun. 356. Right here. Click that. So do that and then select nothing again. Alright. Now let's set the same settings for the other one. Go to the right prop. Task sequence. Nothing. 0. Trigger effects. Set that 1 nanosecond. 9 nanosecond. All the way to 356. Right there. Nothing again. All right. Now, it's time to assign this guy a dual pistol animation. Let's pick a simple one. Let's pick the go ahead and X out of that. Let's go down to play animation, and let's go down to play animation. Let's see if it plays. Thank God. All right. Let's pick which one is easier. Both hands forward, quick single shoot. Let's pick this one. All right, that one's pretty simple because he shoots them at the same time, and I think that's a great one to start with. All right, so let's go ahead and play all these entities at the same time. So edit multiple entities simultaneously. Go in there, select entities, select this guy, and only select the props that are attached to the pistols, not the pistols. All right, this is where the muzzle flash comes from. Okay, so check mark that and check mark that. All right, now once we play it at the same time, you see the timing is a little off. All right, so as you can see, the muzzle flash played before the animation performed. All right, so in order to fix that, well, first let me set this to stay in last frame right quick so it won't loop over and over. All right, so first we go into both of these props that we attached to the pistols. Okay, let's go to the left one first. Go into that one, go into nothing. Let's add, let's say, 4 nanoseconds to nothing. This way the muzzle flash will be delayed until the animation that simulates the shooting will play accordingly to that animation. In other words, it'll play perfectly out. You know, when by the time like the recoil animation plays, the muzzle flash will come out. All right. So put 4 nanoseconds on that one, and then go back, go to the other one, the same as that one. 4 nanoseconds. All right, let's play it now. And boom, there you go. Play it again. And that's how you shoot simultaneously using Menyoo. All right, let's try a different one. Let's try another one. Let's try another animation. Let's see if we got another animation that simulates more shooting. Let's see, both hands jump multi-shoot. Let's pick this one. Dual pistols, both hands jump back multi-shoot. Okay, I'll organize these names, that way you can edit those accordingly in Menyoo. Okay, so I tried to organize them the best way I could. All right, so this is what the animation looks like. Looks pretty cool, right? Like he's shooting multiple times. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into one of these props, the left prop actually, like the left prop, and we're gonna go in here and go to the trigger effects. All right, so we're gonna extend the duration just a little bit. Let's see, I got a bit down here. To about maybe 4 seconds, and then bring down the interval down to 2. Since it's multiple shots, so I want multiple muzzle flashes to come out. All right, so let's say about 5 seconds. All right, let's do that, and then go in here, same as this one, 5, 2. All right, let's try this one. Looks pretty good, right? That's pretty badass. That's pretty cool. Yep, that's how you set it up. There it is. I recommend playing around with these animations. Look at how these animations play out, and then add your muzzle flash accordingly. If it's multiple shots, you set the interval lower to its setting. All right. If it's like a single shot, you increase the interval where it shoots just one time, and then lower the duration. Okay. So multiple shots, you extend the duration a little bit and lower the interval. So single shots, you do the opposite. Okay. Now there's another way that you could do this. There are unique ways to shoot your guns without having to set all this up. So if it's too tedious for you, if you just want to use single weapons like just the pistol, and you just want to simulate shooting without having to set all that up, all you have to do is just equip the pistol that you want. Any pistol, it doesn't matter. Got object spooner, manage entity database, servers and database, task sequence. Pick any combat animations like combat at CHG underscore any animation with the pistols. Play that right there. Okay, so what you want to do is go into play animation, click that, go to settings, and set it to second task. Only set it to second task if you don't plan on moving around in the animation. You want the animation to play out and you just want to shoot your gun. Okay, let me play this. Play it, and you can just shoot it as the animation plays. Yeah, hold on, let me just delete this guy. This guy's shooting at me. All right, so yep, and that's how that works. Okay. Now, if you want to run around and shoot your weapon as it's playing, go into play animation, go to settings, go to upper body second task loop, and play animation. If you want to run around and shoot your weapons and stuff, it's a pretty useful tool. Looks kind of weird when you reload, but it's for what it's worth. I think it's pretty cool. It also works with rifles too. Works with any gun that you want. So you go down here, rifle, very B, play. Works with any animation, really. Gives you unique ways to shoot your weapon for your filmmaking. All right, I believe that's it, and hopefully this was a help to you guys, and hopefully you guys could use these tools to your advantage and enhance your filmmaking skills. All right, and I hope you guys have a good day. Peace out.